Hi, welcome to Sadler Up Nails. So I decided to complete this nail set with this cute little owl design that I saw Henriette Nails from Instagram. She just posted this like yesterday or 2 days ago, and like instantly I had to try it. So the base color is First Base by Madame Glam. It is this gorgeous, like pinkish purple color. That's the only way I can describe it. It is a pastel. If you've seen my previous videos, you know that I like to do 3 coats. It adds strength and it also ensures your color is fully opaque. So this is the 3rd coat that I'm putting on now. And then after I cure that, we're going to do the cute little owl. So first I'm using Vida Loca, also by Madame Glam, and I'm just going to put some down on my little glass palette that I have here. And then I will be using my dotting tool and my Madame Glam long fine liner brush. And you guys know you can use my code BeckyTK40 for 40% off Madame Glam products as long as they're not already on sale. And I'll put the link that you can go through as well to their website. It's my link, so it just lets them know that you're basically shopping from my referral, whether you use my code or not. So please go through the link that I have in the description. So now I'm just going to paint a heart. Oh my God, this owl is so cute. So because it's an owl, like don't make the tip of the heart too pointed. Kind of like round it out a little bit. Just because this is an owl, you don't want it to look too funky. So we're just painting in the heart, and I do cure between each step. So I'm curing that purple heart now. And then I'm going to come in with the Madame Glam gel paint in pink. And then we are just going to do a smaller heart in the middle of the purple heart. And this will, I guess, be the belly of the owl. So same steps, 2 dots, and then use your fine liner brush to just pull down from the dots to make your heart pattern. I find it's so funny. It's like the simplest shapes can almost sometimes be the most difficult to do, like stars and hearts, because, you know, they're symmetrical. So for hearts, I just find the easiest is to do your 2 dots and then connect them. Obviously, you got to practice, guys. Practice makes perfect. So after I cure that heart, we're going to come in with another Madame Glam Pink About You. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous fuchsia pink color. These are all very, very opaque. I find all of Madame Glam's gels to be great for nail art. They're very, very pigmented. Obviously, their gel paints are the best, but I find all their gel polishes, as long as they are creams, they are, or cremes, whatever you want to say, they are the best for nail art. So we just made those little dots slightly bigger and connected them in the middle, and then I just pulled out from the edges to make the eye shape for the owl. And then now I'm using Ugly Duckling's white to dot in the eyes. And remember, I am curing in between each step. I'm doing full cures. I'm not doing flash cures. I want, because we're layering the gel, you do want that first layer to be fully cured. So do full cures in between each step. Don't do flash cures. And then now I'm dotting in the black. That really makes it come alive when you add the like eyeball. It's crazy how like it just kind of makes your figure come to life. So finally, we are using Madame Glam again. They're yellow. you all know yellows are really hard to find for nail art because it's really hard to get a highly pigmented yellow. So their gel paint is awesome. And then I'm doing my final top coat with Madame Glam's No Wipe top coat. And then I'm going to cure that. And then if you want to stick around, I am going to do 2 textured hearts on this nail. I'm doing that right now. So this is after the top coat has cured. I'm putting down 2 more hearts. This is to kind of just make the nail cohesive with the rest of the nail set, because the rest of the nail set has these textured hearts on it. So I'm just adding these at the end to kind of match this nail with the rest of the set. If you want to see more of the textured hearts, you can have a look at the video I posted previously to this one, where I do a textured heart pattern on the entire nail. So after you've painted in your hearts, and while your gel paint is still wet, we are going to come in with our clear acrylic powder and just sprinkle that over top of the wet gel. Make sure it sets in. I just wait until it's not looking shiny anymore. And then I know I've put enough acrylic over top. And then once you cure it, brush it off with a fan brush. And then you are finished. And I think these are the cutest little owls. It just made this nail set look so cute. I hope you like it. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I really do plan on posting a lot more nail art tutorials soon. So thanks for watching. Bye.